Good morning, guys. I'm on my way to the garage to make the last touches with the filler. So yeah, let's go. Oh, let's see how it is. I haven't been here many days. Oh, it's actually looks pretty well, I think. Yeah, I think it's pretty good actually. But it's like there's still something that has to dry a little bit more out, but I don't know, I'm not sure. But it's gonna be good actually. I actually like it. So yeah. So today I have to finish that on top. Over there. Some small touches. And I was thinking to, making something like yeah, I don't know how to explain, but I'm gonna show it in a bit. Okay guys, I was thinking if I could do something smooth here. So I'm gonna try that now. Okay, this is what I was thinking. You can see there's like a, this smooth. I'm gonna try to do that all the way around. So guys, I'm finally done for today, so I'm gonna show you. So I'm done with all the garage. Here with the cement, or how to say it in English. So all the way, you see, it's done. It got like a soft edge, as you can see here. It's like round, so I think it's gonna be pretty good. My plan is to fill it with the epoxy. So yeah, that's why I did this. So this must be episode 1, I guess. And the next gonna be to prepare the garage for the paint and cleaning up. So yeah, see you soon.